National Eligibility cum Entrance Test NEET zungchanga India ram hun shanga zirlaitin protest neya Union Education Minister pu Dharmendra Pradhan me upo in ban na hial thelu phani NEET Exam Question paper leak awangin rilru na tam takan oma mani intihlum hial anum boka apoi takzetani chuti mek line India ram Prime Minister pu Narendra Modi po in question leak theilaka venatur High Power Task Force on Examination Reforms to punanda nilikani ka ishwaina hnuaya adin ngal boka henghar satna hian India ram tan thil chazok minthen saknge be se omani India ram hian exam zo na pu dru fova state changshanga po chin boka Mizoram nge po MPSC atipo fowani hi apoi takzeta kan thalai tam tak rilru zong senga exam beya sumle pai har sa taka thok chuak te coaching kalna na lon hial la ti anom china chung thalai te mai ba ka annu le pa ti be se na chu question leak out awang hian beidon na sa takin atlak buak china ni chu wang question leak out to lo se thalai te hian fair takin an malam hunata na an be se ti hlotlin na tur an be na hian an thorim ra chu munge se ti chu kan du sakna ni voina hian Mizoram rinit sanghi somni paruka pakhatna HML somdong zwalale pani na lalmon ki misai lote thu khochang hi hangai thla ila chaome
HML somdong zwala smarty topper tuna NEET rinit tiang khamia po topper lo ni le ta kha voinia kan bula oma a experience te a thil lo ton to te voinia mizo thalai te tan I kan thlok pui theina tur ani be sein voinia abula kan oma engtinge lo don son dan engtinge topper lo ni dan kha toy fel takin min han soi sakse
masavera kha chuanin NEET kha masazok kha me ni thuma han kan exama kha te cha chu ka inte ve khop me ya kha kar khat nu ve khanin ali khan tia atira kha chuanin kan zirti ru ha ka kola miss ai paper leak sa inte kan tiang kan exam challenge em ka tia kan miss te khanin hei hei chu leak sia lom exam chat chu an ti lawang khan tia thamong ta khan kamu ta me ya se tu ka khanin read kha official unofficial Twitter account han lo post ta sia ta khanin ke ma ka kana ve khop me ti maila chuanin ke ma hei ka de utopa hei engma fi lawang han ko ma ka empty khop me ti to pela chuan ka han chong cha ya ma se ting ina va khom si lo chong chai lo kha chu ti thei kha ka nei si lawa hanin puwa cha le tur khanin ke ma ka chaw to sia chu voin chu kan han ha chol photange kan han process photange kha ka tia ti khan ni khat kha chu le kha ka zir thei lo ang deuh top kan ya so atu ka khanin ka han chule a le kha zir tur khan ka chong chai ta topa chuan ka zir khanin hei zir kha har tol tu ka chu wang khanin ke ma bo ka zir khan enforce waka lu hei chung te han zira hei mit tui la pa han zir te ha ngai ve ni chu hei nun hi a shiat lok thei lo khop me a mai ro chu kanin adapt ve zel kha nga ya hei ka soi thiam dan chuan lui luang rengang hi anga hian kanoma sangha ke man hi lo ni ta se lui luang kha kan hleu phei zel anga ya ani lo chuan lui luang khan in min la mei do na chu wangin hei eng tiang point eng din hna po mila kan lo in adapt ve kan lo in thlaka adin huna zir khan ke mani kanin siam lam kha chul ka tia har sa chu har sal tu ka mai ro chu khatiang kan ti lo chuanin nuna hian progress kan nei don lawa chu wangin eng tianga har sat na po lo thleng se masabera chuanin iswa lalpa hna khan chong chai la chuan kan pathian hi ring tlat la eng kim kha apui ve kang che. Hello my friends, my name is HML Somtong Zwala. I'm the NEET 2026 or the NEET 2026 topper from Mizoram, securing an AIR rank of 11875. And I'm also the smarty topper from Mizoram for the session of 2026. I would like to share some of my experience regarding the NEET paper leak and the re-NEET. I was also quite depressed and disappointed when the re-NEET was announced because in the previous NEET I scored a mark of 660, which was really good for me because I have spent like the last year going to coaching and even my teachers were also very happy with me. But since the NEET was announced, I was kind of down and I didn't know really how to pursue and move on from that. But then after a while, I came to the realization that what I have to do is not to wallow in my self pity or in a state of depression, but I have to keep moving on and I have to keep on fighting because that is the only thing I can do to keep on moving in this life. And so after 2 or 3 days, I started to study, but that even the process of studying was very tough as I often shed a tear and as I often like almost try to give up. But then with the help of my parents, my teachers, and most importantly with the help of God, I managed to push through and I have finally achieved success thanks to all the people who have supported me. Thank you.
Coming to learn my Kimi Sailawania, to NEET 2026 Akhan, second rank Karkanya Amizora Machamin. NEET and Hanti Lekan, Kema Akhajuan, Kabawe Mema Atira Hajuan loss and disappointment, Kakema Kanaron Umhala. Mase to me Vanzanka, he very Kale Kadakan Zetelo Lepota. Mase to me who Akhajuan, he Patan in second chance, me betna and Tame empty and rilru Kakapuchanta. Sumin hua khachuan lekha kha kan bichan lea nasa taka je lekha kan tum le photta e kami rinit thi student tam tak tan hi chon apoi ma thona chung khachuan ma se ke achen khatang khachuan wani na kha ani vere thota ni chu ani deu ber mai
ani le rinit exam do khan nangma enge base na ama ilo exam to khan iti try in India chon chu ta chon I base na choi nge ka thek to pin ka tile ang ti base na thar in ya tu tin nge nangma fui tu chenge chele nangma inspire tu che ka tyang han lo shin le thein
chu ati ra chuan kan bei dong ve thawani chu ma se anhuwa kha chuan kan chung te le kan chian te le hei midang kan se tu te khenga min puina wang khan courage ya ti chatum na le thaina kha kan nei ta kan se tu te khamin ron fuine sa ma hi jil le nga ro ke khamin ron ti ni chu ke ma phe ka chu mi atang chuan ke ma khan courage voice na angkha karon la chole a ke khana sa takin ka sere the phani
ani le NEET la be le zen tu de tan ege thil cha du ine kam ne khat le mi lo sei sak le thein
NEET be le zel tu te tan hian ka soi do chu nasa takin be ula be dong lo turin le in thei top cha turin thu ka cha do chewani. Hello friends, my name is Avangin Sailao. I secured second rank in Mizoram and my NEET 2026 score was 541 and my IRR rank was 44940 and my ST category rank was 336. I was deeply discouraged when the NEET news came out. I lost my confidence and questioned whether all my efforts still matter. But I reminded myself why I started this journey, keep going. So my fellow aspirant, I want to remind you that even when don't let circumstances beyond your control define your future. Stay focused and know that perseverance is always better than despair.